Autosomal DNA tests. An autosomal DNA test analyzes DNA from chromosomes 1 through 22, which are inherited from both parents. In simple words, the tests are a way of looking at the code that exists inside of all of your cells. Now, how does autosomal DNA testing work? Scientists often use sequencing or genotyping methods to analyze a person's autosomal DNA. These processes involve looking at hundreds of thousands of markers across all 22 pairs of your chromosomes. Then, to determine your family's origin story through autosomal testing, the scientists use a reference panel to compare your DNA to DNA from people who have deep roots in various parts of the world. For example, you can say if a part of your DNA is similar to the reference panel of people from Ireland, then that part of your DNA is probably from Irish ancestors. So the technique uses this information to suggest where your ancestors lived hundreds or even thousands or more years ago. So how these tests are useful? These tests are popular for genealogical research, allowing users to trace their ancestral origins, discover living relatives, and confirm family connections. This was all. Thanks for watching.